Thank you to our clients for choosing us to be your consultant. It is not lost on us that you have a choice. We're grateful for the opportunities. We're very proud of the projects we've completed over the years with you, and we look forward to continuing to provide you with thoughtful, thorough, and time-tested solutions.
Thank you for your trust and your loyalty.
Thank you for being a friend or a mentor. It is appreciated.
Thank you from the Environmental Consulting Department. We appreciate it. Take care.